Hoʻomaluhia Botanical Garden on Oahu today. Just walking around, and we're gonna go do a short walk down to the lake. It's really beautiful here. Let's go check out the lake. Okay, so it took us a couple stops to figure out that each of these stops is like a culturally themed garden. Which it says on the map, we just didn't read it until like the third stop, but there was like Malaysia, Polynesia, India, tropical America, Hawaii, and now we're in Africa. So that's what there is to do here. You walk around, look at lots of vegetation from different places, and it's beautiful and humongous. We found the sausage tree, and look at that. That's why it's called sausage. There's sausages hanging from it. Oh.
I got a fresh one.
You got one?
Fresh sausage right out of the tree.
Okay, just a second. I want to
kidding.
take. Okay, just.
I have no idea what these are, so I'm not gonna bite it. So that was really cool. There was a lot of different cool trees, different cool plants to see here. The lake was cool to see. All the different views were good. So, bye.